Come along with us and our dog Maple for a relaxing walk through Threave Nature Reserve near Castle Douglas as we explore the trails and fulfill our mission to get Maple that perfect Instagram shot. Here's a good question. Do we have poo bags?
I don't.
I think I do. I think I feel them.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So if you want to go look at the birds that way. Oh, there's a wee statue.
Oh, what are you doing?
What? Ugh, I don't like that. I'm not a fan of these things. Oh, it's a bench. Oh, I love that. It's so nice. Dragonfly. Hello. Ugh. I was admiring the bench. That one's different. It looks like it. Yay! It's so nice to see a bend. So I don't know whether to go that way or that way. Oh, is there a height?
Yeah.
But what's at the height? Oh. I just want to go see if we can see squirrels. Oh, there's ducks and a seagull.
Always a seagull.
Yep. Very creaky. Oh god, it's roasting in here.
Oh, it's fun. Squirrels.
There are other windows, but really there's not an awful lot to see. Unless maybe deer come out of these ones sometimes, but I'm not seeing anything right now. There's like a couple ducks and a seagull and that's it. Away we go. She's away. Mr. Reverend.
Looks like he's in a couple of
Hoping he's in shot. It's a bit small to see on the screen. Might just be filming grass for all I know. Butterflies. On the way back, I do kind of want a photo of Maple in front of the castle. I think so. That's the Australian bit there, I think. You know what I didn't do? Set my watch to let it know I'm out doing stuff.
I didn't do anything. Didn't do with my watch as a once a week.
Great investment I watched them, wasn't it?
Yeah. I forget to charge it half the time.
More dragonflies. Oh, 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 oh.
Quite
See?
big, isn't it?
Yeah. Quite a lot of like ducks around here. Oh no, my enemy. An incline.
Yeah, only 5 degrees. You must come back. There's a whole wild time helping me.
Kelton mate this time, I think.
This is the bit you'd see squirrels, isn't it?
Possibly. Oh, let's go look then. Oh, bird.
We're taking it.
I know. Oh, bouncy. Oh, someone's left the note. I think it's been left here on purpose, so you're supposed to like write down what you've spotted. Yeah. I know, I heard.
He's going by his wet hand of it. Take roughly 16 minutes to walk 650 metres.
Right,
I'm doing the maths in my head.
okay.
That's considering 3 steps per a metre and 2 steps take a second. You're welcome.
I'm not going to retain that information.
It will take roughly 16 minutes. It feels like a lot. I think I've done my maths wrong. Definitely done the maths. Take 6 minutes.
I would have just believed you either way.
You got slivers on your fucking eyes again.
Slivers in your eyes.
Maple. Yeah.
Oh yeah, yep, definitely. Have we reached the end?
I don't know.
I think we have. Dragonfly wanted some maple, and you didn't rise to the challenge.
Think of it. Why are we going this way?
We've been here before, it looks familiar.
Like I've pooed on this road before.
Yeah.
That was a decent little walk.
Yeah.
Doesn't feel like it was like that.
No. It might have included if you went across on where the castle is.
I think it did. Go across and then round the castle.
But it's closed. It says temporarily closed on Google.
Temporary.
But it's been. Oh, it's a frog! Oh, it's a frog. Frog, you're struggling a wee bit. Did you get it? It's alright that you killed it.
No.
It's not moving.
Wait a minute.
Oh, there you go. Okay. Go. Sorry. Sorry, buddy. He dropped you. Well, you jumped.
Yeah.
You suicided.
No.
Maple,
No.
No. She's dribbling. She's actually dribbling. That was pretty good. I thought it was a leaf.
That's what the frog needs.
What, water?
Yeah.
Or maple dribbles.
Maple dribbles.
To be fair, I nearly stood on one. Because I thought it was a leaf. And I thought these leaves are moving very unnaturally given there's no wind. Is that another one? It is.
No.
No, Maple. Oh, she's not noticed. That's fine. Hey, buddy.
You don't really jump very far, do you? I'm better at looking after nature than nature is. Therefore, I shall take frog. I better look after myself.
You look after Maple.
I look after people, but not look after myself. She actually takes me.
Should we sit on his back?
Should we?
Yes. Your friend.
Oh, you rabbit squirrel.
And you're, I don't know what kind of.
Pigeon. Falcon?
It's either going to be an osprey or a red kite or something. This is a woodpecker.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why's it got a hole in his ear?
I don't know. I noticed that earlier. Butterfly. Do not cross when covered with water. But what if you're on this side and you need to get over there? So you're just stranded.
We enjoyed your walk, Maple. No weekend that you off the
You met some new dogs.
Yeah, you did. And frogs.
Yeah, and frogs. And dragonflies, although you didn't seem interested in them.
Oh, the wee owl.
Oh, I didn't notice the owl before. Do it too.
Come here. Bit you to me.
Wow. So much sticky willy. I just poked her on the head. Catch the hair. Oh, I actually did. Ta-da!
You don't have to make a wish.
Yep. Well, lots of money. There you go.
To find lots of money.
Okay. We'll be able to travel a lot every year.
You do? Back and forth to work?
No, abroad. And with Maple up and down Scotland.
And the lake district.
And Europe
Yeah.
and everything.
There's a lake district, like, nice as well.
She knows she's gorgeous.
That's why she gets away with so much.
There's always sparrows, like on this specific part near the barn, that just fly about. Meow. I said sparrows, but I meant to say swallows.
That's the one. I knew it wasn't sparrows. I was like,
No,
it sounded. That's one nest.
Yeah, it's swallows.
Yeah, swallows. They were nesting in it. It was raging. They kept getting everywhere.
Yeah, they do that, but I get swallows. Well, I haven't had them this year, but for the past 2 years before, I had baby sparrows, and I've been loving them. But
Sparrows.
swallows,
Yeah.
swallows, not sparrows. I get a lot of sparrows, but I'm on about swallows. They're just so easy.
There's a lot of inappropriate jokes we could make right now.
No, it's
Why
not. Oh, and there's a goldfinch.
Yeah,
Is it still there?
goldfinch.
Goldfinch. Oh yes, it's way out of its element here. Oh, and another bin. Grand.
There's what, 3?
Yep, 3 bins.
3 going at most bits.
Yep, there's a dog bowl as well.